If you want to remove a payment method from your Discord account, follow these simple steps to ensure your billing information is up to date. Step 1. Open Discord. Launch the Discord application on your device or visit the Discord website and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access user settings. Once logged in, locate the gear icon user settings at the bottom left corner of the Discord interface. Click on it to open the settings menu. Step 3. Navigate to billing settings. In the user settings menu, scroll down and find the billing option. Click on it to access your payment methods and billing information. Step 4. Manage payment methods. In the billing section, you will see a list of your saved payment methods. Find the payment method you wish to remove and click on the remove or delete option next to it. Step 5. Confirm removal. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you are sure you want to remove the payment method. Confirm your choice to complete the process. By following these steps, you can easily remove any payment methods from your Discord account. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to Discord support.